Hello traders, Rich here, and here's a quick but detailed update on XRP. As usual, if you guys like video analysis, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As we clearly see, XRP has been overall bearish for a while, making lower highs and lower lows. However, it's approaching a very strong support area. It was acting as a resistance previously, many rejections from it, then price broke it upward, so it's now acting as support and price is currently retesting it. Moreover, this support is now also a demand area as we had an aggressive movement upward from it. So we've got a demand and a support. That's why we are looking for buy setups. Unless of course we have an aggressive break below this zone again, then it would be acting as a resistance again, and a movement to the lower support would be expected. But let's take it step by step, right? We're on the support area, so we are looking for buy setups, and I insist on the word looking because even though we are around the support area, we don't buy blindly. We always wait for extra confirmation, and the view is clearer from daily time frame. We are overall bearish. We've got a big impulse, a correction, and a big impulse movement downwards. And inside this last impulse, we also have multiple swings. So impulse correction, and here we go, right? So we are overall bearish from a medium-term perspective and from a short-term perspective. Also, that's why you don't want to buy a bearish market, right? But since we are on support area and a demand, we are looking for buy setups. But we want the buyers to prove to us that they are taking over again. If we zoom into H4 time frame, you can see that this last impulse that we saw from daily is trading inside this channel. So for the buyers to take over, and as per my trading plan, I'll be waiting for a third swing to form around, or a third swing high to form around the upper trend line to consider it my trigger swing. For those who know me, I always highlight it like this. Here we go, as my trigger, and we are looking for buy stops in the first place because we are around a daily support, right? And what we also saw from weekly time frame. And only then, when this happens, we can expect a bullish movement on XRP. Meanwhile, until this happens, XRP can still trade inside this channel and trade lower and lower before going upward. In this case, we'll update our trigger swing, or even as mentioned from weekly, we can still see a break below it. But of course, for now, this zone is acting as a support. That's why we are looking for buy setups. Before we continue, I want to tell you about Kucoin. Kucoin is one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world with over 600 billion traded volume on the platform and 8 million registered users from more than 200 different countries. Moreover, Kucoin has been rated the best crypto exchange by Forbes Advisor, and according to Coinmarketcap, Kucoin is a top 3 in terms of overall performance. Kucoin offers a wide range of services and features. Of course, you first got spot trading and margin trading, but with more than 540 listed coins and 960 trading pairs. You also got trading bot, staking, mining pool, and many, many more. And I'll make sure to make a detailed video about each and every feature. For now, if you don't have an account yet, I'll make sure to include the links in the description below, and let's continue. As we clearly see, KCS has been overall bullish for a while, making higher lows and higher highs, trading inside this giant rising channel. So when we are overall bullish, we'll be waiting for the correction to be about to end to catch what? The next impulse movement upward. But we can't really know where the correction would end. It can end here, here, or even dive deeper before going upward. That's why, even though we are overall bullish, we don't buy blindly. We always look for two things. The first one is a key rejection area. In our case, it is this lower brown trend line acting as a non-horizontal support, rejecting the price upward again and again. And we also have a horizontal support and resistance, which was acting as a resistance previously, pushing the price downward. Now it's broken upward, so it's acting as a support. So in fact, this zone is a strong area to look for buy setups because it's the intersection of the horizontal support and the non-horizontal support in brown. That's why let's zoom into lower time frames and look for extra confirmation and trigger. From daily time frame, while overall bearish inside this correction phase, if we zoom out, we can see that we have this impulse, a correction, another impulse, and we are currently in this correction as mentioned. That's why we are waiting for the buyers to kick in again to expect the next impulse movement to start. And as per my trading plan, for those who know me, I'll be waiting for a new swing high to form around the upper blue trend line to consider it my trigger swing. That's why I always highlight it like this. and as my trigger, and only then and after the buyers manage to break above this high, we would expect the next bullish movement to start. Of course, the swing high can form like this, for example, like below the trend line, not exactly around the trend line. Anyway, since prices are out as support area, we are looking for bullish reversal setups around this area. Meanwhile, until the buy is activated, KCS would be overall bearish from a medium-term perspective and can still trade lower and lower. Best of luck, and I'll see you on the next one.